Okay, everyone, I think this will be the last tutorial, number 7. First of all, I wanted to let you know I have uploaded all tutorials in Google Classroom and have invited everyone as students into Joe and I's Google Classroom. We're trying to create a platform for you all to help you as you create yours for your students. So that'll be a platform that you will put resources in, different documents and information, as well as the occasional assignment. And by assignment, I mean like maybe the link to bloodborne pathogens that we do every year, things like that. Reading, light reading, things like that. So what I want to do with this tutorial is show you how to upload your video from Google Drive into Google Classroom. In a previous tutorial, I showed you how to move your video from the Sphere 2 software into Google Drive, and now we're going to move from Google Drive into Google Classroom. So I'm assuming everyone knows how to access the Google Classroom. If you don't, I'm going to go over it quick. There's email. There's your email, and you just click here, and you will get into your Drive that way. So here's my Drive, and there are all the tutorials in my Drive. Now you'll need to create a classroom in order to be able to upload your videos in the classroom. To do that, you will go in here, Waffle, and there's an icon that says Google Classroom. And if you haven't created one, it's pretty intuitive. If you don't know how to, if you're having trouble with that, I can help you with that. You can just contact me via email or whatever. But I'm going to go to my tab here. This is my Google Classroom tab, and this is what it looks like if you've never seen Google Classroom. Most of you, I know many of you have, so I don't mean to belabor the point. But you can see here that you have a stream, you have a place for classwork, you have a place for people, and you have a place for grades. The people here, there's a teacher section and there's a students. All teachers in the district, as well as parapros, I think, and counselors. I think I've got everybody invited. If I forgot someone, please let me know and I will add you to it. I was going off memory when I did this, so I apologize. It was not intentional. So basically what you do is you go to your stream. Give me 1 second. Okay. You go to your stream, and it says share something with your class. So what you do is you click that, and you can pick how many people you want to share your assignment or your resource with. So once you get all your students uploaded into Classroom, you can go down, and Carrie Rose so far is the only one that's accepted by invite. But typically you would have like all your 25 kids or whatever, and you can check the boxes of specific students that you want here. But I'm going to just click all students. And then you can write a message here. So I'm going to put, here is tutorial number 1. And the other thing I want to put out too is I'm not even in the Sphere software right now. I have it open down here, but I am recording, as you can see with this button right here. So you can record stuff from your computer using that Sphere software. Even if you're not doing the whiteboard or using the dot camera at all, you can still open it up and record stuff and go to different websites and things like that. So that's pretty cool. So here's tutorial number 1. I'm going to add it, and it's already in my Google Drive. So you will be retrieving it from your Google Drive, and then you have to look for it in your Google Drive. And I'm looking for number 1. Typically, if you're working with something and it's in Drive, it'll be in Recent. All of your recent stuff will be here. If it's been a while since you worked with it and you still want to upload it, then you might have to go into your Drive and look for it. You can also star things to help find it quicker too. So I'm looking for number 1, and there it is. So I'm going to click this, and you can see it says 1 selected, insert, and I'm going to insert that right there. And there it is. And then what you can do is you can schedule a posting. You can save it as a draft, or you can just go ahead and post, which I'm just going to go ahead and post. And there it is. And every student, or whoever you selected, whatever students you selected, can see that now. There's a little 3 dots here, and from what you can do, maybe you attached the wrong one or spelling error or something. You can delete it out. You can copy the link if you want to share it some other way, or you can edit here. I'm going to delete this because I don't want this in here, so I'm going to delete that out. It'll give you a reminder, delete it again. And that post is gone, okay? So that is how you upload videos into your classroom. The other thing you can do when you're attaching stuff is you can attach a link. So like if you wanted to attach just a website, maybe there was a classroominstruction.com or flipgrid.com or something, a video that you wanted your kids to watch on YouTube, you could just attach a link in here. You can also attach a file other than Google Drive, so maybe it's a Word doc or a PDF. And keep in mind that if you attach things other than PDF, I believe that your students can modify that, so you want to be careful of that. And then it goes straight to YouTube too, so there's different ways to do YouTube links. So anyway, that's how you do that. That's how you put your videos, your lesson videos, into Google Drive, or into Google Classroom from Google Drive.